Ding, 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 ding.
Okay, so candidate number 3, this is your question. Bakit wala pa rin Tagalog sa Alaska? Defend your answer.
Thank you for that wonderful question. But I would like to take this opportunity to thank you and say hello to our guests or visitors. That's it. So, the question is, bakit walang Tagalog sa Alaska? Bakit nga ba? Wait lang. Walang Tagalog sa Alaska. Kasi ang bear brand ng ina ang mas maganda.